From intimate gatherings to massive public festivals, planning an event should be exciting, not exhausting. The intricate details, the endless checklists, and the constant coordination can often overshadow the joy of creation. Event professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and planners alike know the immense effort involved in bringing a vision to life. We understand the complexities you face, from managing guest lists to coordinating vendors. The traditional methods often lead to fragmented communication and missed opportunities. It's time for a smarter, more integrated approach to event management. That's why BigCodeGen is thrilled to partner with LollyStage to revolutionize how you plan, manage, and celebrate. This collaboration brings together cutting-edge technology and intuitive design, creating a seamless experience for every event. We are combining our strengths to empower your creativity and streamline your operations. Together, we are building the future of event planning, making it more accessible and efficient than ever before. This partnership is designed to elevate your events, ensuring every detail is handled with precision and ease. Say hello to seamless invitations. Create stunning invites that capture the essence of your event, reflecting your unique style and brand. You can effortlessly track RSVPs, manage guest communications, and stay connected with your attendees, all in one centralized place. Our integrated system ensures that every guest interaction is smooth and professional. From initial outreach to post-event follow-up, we provide the tools you need for exceptional guest experiences. Simplify your communication and enhance your event's reach. Plan smarter with comprehensive tools designed for every stage of your event. From detailed timelines and task lists to venue booking and vendor management, we've got your entire event mapped out. Our dynamic dashboard provides a clear overview, keeping you informed and in control. Manage budgets, assign responsibilities, and track progress with unparalleled clarity. These robust features ensure that no detail is overlooked, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. Achieve operational excellence with our intuitive planning suite. Big or small, private or public, our platform is built for every event, adapting to your specific needs and scale. Whether you're orchestrating a grand wedding, a corporate conference, a vibrant birthday party, or a large-scale music festival, our tools are designed to support your vision. Your unique event? Our powerful tools. We provide the flexibility and scalability required to manage diverse event types with confidence. Unleash your creativity, knowing you have a reliable partner supporting every step. Leverage cutting-edge AI to get smart suggestions, real-time insights, and personalized support. Our intelligent assistant can offer venue recommendations, optimal dates, and even decor themes, making your event not just easy, but unforgettable. This technology helps you make informed decisions quickly. Gain a competitive edge with data-driven insights that optimize your planning process. Our AI capabilities are designed to anticipate your needs and provide proactive solutions. Experience the future of intelligent event management. With intuitive features and on-demand support, we're empowering DIY event management. You gain full control over your event planning without the stress of complex software or overwhelming tasks. Our user-friendly interface makes professional-level planning accessible to everyone. Customize your event plan from scratch, confident in the knowledge that expert assistance is always available. We provide the resources and guidance to help you execute your vision flawlessly. Take charge of your event with confidence and ease. Together, BigCodeGen and LollyStage are setting a new standard in event planning. We are blending creativity, simplicity, and technology like never before, transforming how events are conceived and executed. This partnership is dedicated to making your planning journey efficient and enjoyable. We are committed to providing innovative solutions that empower you to create memorable experiences. Plan it, power it, own it. Visit lollystage.com to start your event journey today.